National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Colorado County in southeastern Texas, central Wharton County in southeastern Texas, Austin County in southeastern Texas, north central Jackson County in south central Texas, southwestern Grimes County in southeastern Texas, southern Burleson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Brazos County in southeastern Texas, Washington County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, Waller County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fetter to near Schulenburg to near Yoakum, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brenham, El Campo, Wharton, Navasota, Sealy, Hempstead, Prairie View, Brookshire, Belleville, Columbus, Eagle Lake, Washington, East Bernard, Weimar, Somerville, Wallace, Pine Island, Simonton, San Felipe, and Addison. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a